5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles west of Mascot, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed and will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Sumter County, including the following locations: Webster, Tarrytown, and Center Hill.
Then why are they playing
Precautionary.
Now it's us.
Now it's us. Eastern Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was just west of Mascot near the lake.
We came to Walmart to decorate Destiny's new office. And look at these cutest little plants that we found.
Oh, these
They're
can't go
so
in my
tiny.
office,
Why?
because they
Need sunlight.
need a lot of sun.
I'm freaking out.
Your hand sanitizer smells terrible.
That was blurry. Say it again.
The hand sanitizer.
No one cares. I'm kidding. Still shopping. Oh, that's, yeah, it looks better like
I
that.
kind of like. I feel like this painting looks so good, like with the bright colors. I wish that.
Where is that? I'm freaking out.
Stop! You're fine.
It's making her mad, but I'm so scared.
You're overreacting.
I know, I make myself panic, like.
And you make everyone around you panic. It's not helpful.
Look what she made us during a tornado.
There's not a tornado.
Nacho!
Tornado warning.
I don't have to cower in the herd anymore. Instead, I can be an astronaut.
Now I'm back home and I feel a lot better. The storm has passed and we all survived, and yeah, I like rushed home and then I had to do a bunch of writing for my homework because I was planning on doing it like before, but then the storm happened and I freaked out, so I couldn't. But I got it all done, and now I have to go to bed because I have to wake up at 8 o'clock. Or like I have class at 8, so I have to wake up super early tomorrow. So I'm going to be exhausted. Something good that happened today is I didn't die from a tornado. Good night.
Oh, baby, you got what I need. You got everything I need. You're like medicine to me, oh, baby.
If I can't grow a baby, I might as well grow a plant. Did you hear what I said? No. It's so blurry. I said if I can't grow a baby, I might as well grow a plant.